As I begin today's vlog, my friends, I got a bone to pick with myself. I'm a little irked. I've been making video clips all afternoon without realizing the lens was dirty on this GoPro. So if during this video presentation you see the dirty lens, it's because I wasn't smart enough to wipe it off. That's one disadvantage to a GoPro. You handle the camera too much. My little Sony Handycam, I've never had any trouble getting dirty lens with it. Anyway, that's my complaint for the start of this vlog. What's on the menu today? Steamed vegetable packets on the grill, grilled bratwurst, and that's all. It's gonna be delicious. Good day, viewers. Walter here. Today is a bit of a grilling video. Cleaned everything off, but we're not gonna grill meat today. Well, we are. We're going to have some bratwurst. But first on the grill, we're going to have vegetable packets on the grill. So I've basically got everything ready to go. I'm going to light the grill, heat it up to about 325, 350. We're going to put the vegetable packets in here. I'll let the wife bring them out and put them on. She don't want to be in the video. And magically they'll be on the grill. But we take a combination of vegetables, like I think she's probably got onions, some zucchini, some squash, potatoes, other vegetables, probably some green beans, all in a little aluminum packet of vegetables, seasoned with a little seasoning and olive oil or whatever. And I'm gonna grill them boogers in a good 30 minutes, and then we'll put them aside and throw the bratwurst on there. The bratwurst, I pre-boil them in water first, and basically just put them on here to brown them. So first thing you got to do is turn on the grill. Then you need some fire. You can't cook without fire. Got that one lit. And I'm all lit. Let's get it hot. We'll watch the thermometer come up. Okay, the temperature is starting to rise. We're up to, must be getting up around 375, something like that. All right, abracadabra. Vegetable packets, go. Ta-da! Don't you wish you could do that? We got our vegetable packets up here ready to go. Put them up higher, that's hotter up in that part anyway. I don't get a really large flame out of my grill, but it gets plenty hot enough to cook these. So we got it cooking. About 30 minutes from now, we'll jerk them out of there and do the bratwurst. Did I say that thing don't get hot? I'm getting right on up close to 450. Them vegetables are going to cook quick. I should have gave you a look at the vegetables when they were raw, but you know what raw vegetables look like. Meanwhile, on the porch, the vegetable packets are cooking away at well over 450 degrees. Looking good. All we gotta do is bring them bratwursts out here and cook them scoundrels up. Pretty soon we'll be filling Walter's tummy. We gotta just take these booger bears out and put them on the grill, right? One. Please. All right, let's get these brats to going. It won't take long now. 5 or 10 minutes, they'll be done. And I'm gonna watch them to make sure they don't burn. I'll turn them as many times as necessary. Go, boys, cook them up. All right, Walter, let's get to tending this grill. Don't want them to get too done. They're getting there, my friends. Boy, I wish you had some kind of smell of these in here. Them are going to be some tasty little bratwursts. Okay, the vegetable packets have been took in, and the bratwursts are getting there. We give them booger bears 5 more minutes. All right, hummingbird, take a drink. He's been coming and going at that feeder all day. I don't guess you can see him from this distance with my GoPro. But he's sitting right there drinking. Yes, sirree. Get a little color on them boys. Alright, I don't want to goof around and burn them. I think I got enough color to them. Get them burnt, nobody will eat them. Right there, they're perfect. You might think that's overdone, but it ain't. That is just right for a bratwurst. They're just about to split open. That's when you want to take them up. Don't that look some kind of good? All right, I'll give you a peekaboo at my vegetable packet. Look at the steam coming out of there. Need a fork. Got zucchinis and onions and potatoes, red tomatoes, green beans, garlic, and other seasoning. There you go. There's Walter's vegetable packet.